Hi everyone, my name is Taylor and I work for the WIC office, and today I want to tell you how to set up your PIN number on your eWIC card. There are two options. You can go to the phone number or the website on the back of the card and you'll set up a 4-digit PIN number. Definitely keep this safe and only share it with somebody you trust to shop for you. If you're at the checkout and you put in your PIN number wrong 4 times, it'll actually lock on you. So you can use the same number to get it unlocked, or you can call your WIC office and we can help you. So this is a free WIC shopper app, and whenever you download it, you'll actually enter your 16-digit code that's on your card, so that way the app and your card link up and you can view your WIC benefits. So there's actually a section of the app that says I couldn't buy this, and this helps you submit a ticket to the Colorado State WIC office if you feel like you should be able to buy a food item that is on your WIC shopping list. Before you go to the store, it helps to know your food balance. There are 5 ways you can check your food benefit balance. First, you can look at your WIC shopper app, or you can call the automated number on the back of your card, or go to the website as well. Also, you can ask any cashier, and your receipt actually will show you your food balance as well. So your food benefits become available on the first day of the month, and then they expire at midnight on the last day of the month. Your food benefits do not roll over to the next month. In Pueblo, we have many grocery stores that can take your WIC food benefits. To find a grocery store near you, you can use your WIC shopper app or go to the Colorado WIC website. You can use coupons, store loyalty cards, buy one get one, and other specials using your WIC shopper card. You can also use SNAP, cash, or debit cards at the same time that you use your eWIC shopper card. So a few things to know whenever you go for the first time using your eWIC card. Go whenever you have a little bit of extra time. Substitutions are not allowed. You do have to choose the food items that are on your food benefit balance and on the WIC allowable food list. Your WIC foods, formula, and your eWIC card cannot be sold, traded, or given away, nor returned or exchanged for cash, credit, or other items. If you purchase an item that is defective at the store, ask your customer service or call your local WIC staff. At first, it might be helpful to separate your WIC foods from your other groceries to help you know which foods WIC pays for and which foods need another form of payment. Once all your items are scanned, use your eWIC card first before all other forms of payment, including your SNAP card. Swipe your eWIC card and enter your PIN when asked. Check that your WIC purchase is correct. If you have concerns, please keep your receipt and contact your local WIC office.
My name is Angelina Salvo, and I am one of the many people that utilizes the WIC services. The WIC program has helped my family out immensely. It has helped provide nutritious foods for my kids and like the iron fortified supplements that my baby needs. I would highly suggest signing up for WIC, and if you are interested or curious about it, reach out. The people that work at WIC are so eager to help and assist you, and they're available by text message, they're available by phone, they're available by email, and they're a great resource, not just for being able to go and buy fresh fruit and vegetables and supplementing those food that we need every month, but also for breastfeeding and pumps and lactation consultants and just dietary needs, whether it was for myself or my children. And they've just been great resources and totally open, and you get a good chuckle in there. They're just great to talk to and work through your problems with.